My car is behind my truck, and you can see it's gone. That's how much snow we have. There's my truck. Just a couple foot of snow. Four-wheeler just went down the road. We almost got 2 foot of snow. Just trying to snowplow our way out with the car. She's done. This is crazy. Snow's flying in the window. Oh my goodness. Dan's making the snow fly around in the room. This is cool. They're using a snowblower to dig this lady out. She got stuck. She got her car out with a 2-wheel drive vehicle in a blizzard. No one's supposed to be out in their vehicles except for state vehicles. She drove a 2-wheel drive car out and got stuck. Everything's closed, nothing going on. And even after digging all that, still stuck. And it's rear wheel drive topped off. See that? Snowblower's not going to dig it out, and that's what it's like. Is that snow? Snow. Let me see your fingers, you snow boy. So you can see where my neighbor is. I have to shovel about 3 foot of snow right now. I'm actually leaving it because the snowplow just came through behind him and covered his hole in behind him, which is fine because he has a snowblower, but I'm not going to dig it out more than once like last year or the year before. So even though it compacts and it gets harder and heavier, I'm doing it one time versus 3 or 4 times. So there's a trade-off. Your back is the trade-off, but at the same time, why do it so many times?
So Malachi was all dressed up in his warm pajamas on underneath, and we got all bundled up. The snow boots didn't fit. So we had to undress him and start all over.
Buddy.
No, no.
Do you want? Oh.
Let's be Bigfoot. We're gonna go outside and play in the snow. We're gonna go play outside in the snow. You wanna play in the snow? Do you wanna? Oh, come on! Remember all the stuff on your hands? Remember that?
You're about to tip over. You're going to tip over. Hold back. What are you doing?
Yabba yabba.
I can't sit here like that. Stand up.
Don't worry.
There we go. Hold on.
We're gonna put a wrap on your head. Or not.
Okay, wait. Where's your mittens?
Here we go.
Okay, we're all bundled up. Here we go.
Oh my goodness.
Here we
Freeze.
go.
Hey, you know what? Freeze.
Whoops.
And get a.
Oh, I gotta shut the door behind me.
I gotta get it. Snow fort.
Slippery.
No.
Oh wait, these are.
Oh yeah, you can go. Go try and get in if you want. Okay, I'm going that way.
I can't.
I'm gonna be buried.
Oh, look at Anna.
I'm gonna be buried alive.
Now.
So Poppy,
Take your finger from over there.
Poppy is not snowing. He is making us a way so that we can go out. But and this is what we call a blizzard. Yeah.
Oh.
Look at this. I can't even go through that. I'd have to my legs would be under. Look at this.
Okay,
Look
Anna,
at the table.
turn it off, honey.
No, I said record.
I'm gonna switch places with her.
Look at this stuff. Whew. It is. It is. It's just blowing. Look at this. Look at our porch.
Okay, Justin made a path for the dog.
No, I haven't yet.
Oh.
It'll take me a while.
He's making a dog potty path and snowboard. He's beginning to snowboard. That's in the bath.
It's a heart. Because I love my family. Look at that.
Malachi, what do you think? Oh. Oh, nice snow angel, Lydia.
Hey, buddy. I'm building a way to playhouse.
Anna's not doing a snow angel, she's doing a snow belly flap.
Oh, oh, careful there, buddy. Oh, he went face down in the snow. And go playhouse? Hey, Lord, turn around and smile. Malachi. Lydia.
Put your thing down. 1, 2, 3,
Let him go in, let him go in.
Go in. Oh, it's beautiful.
Unreal not to hear any vehicles go by for so long. Here you go, Cheese.
Yay, I got all my snow.
Yep. Just digging around the house. It's deep here. Had to go through that snow. It's about 4 foot there. So up to my waist. It's just, that snow drift. So pretty much we've got more than 2 foot. Malachi doesn't like the snow at all. I just want to get out here and get some images of the house. So we're talking about how much snow is coming down as we're watching it continue to come down, and just talking about how this blizzard in the East Coast is really hammering down on everyone, and there's a lot of folks that are having accidents and some folks apparently passed away or whatever. We've gotten literally here more than 2 foot of snow here where we are in less than a day. It hasn't even been 24 hours. The snow started yesterday about 3 o'clock or whatever, and it is now 11:14, and we got more than 2 foot of snow. The drifts are up to my waist, so about 4 foot of snow in the drifts. It's very deep, very fast snow, very hard, and it's still coming down intensely. So it is intense. They're trying to keep scraping, but if you see where they're scraping, the trucks are half hidden by just the depth of snow. So only the main areas are open. Cars are getting stuck on our side roads because nobody can keep them open. This is an intense snow. It's been fun for us in the yard, but it's not good to be out, and that's why The state says not to get any vehicle out that's not a county or state vehicle on the roads, that we're all supposed to be home and parked. Snowplow got stuck. That's how deep it is. So when a snowplow gets stuck, it's deep. It's crazy deep.
Are they stuck again?
Yeah. It's something whenever snowplows get stuck. And the backhoe loader over here watching him. It's crazy. Don't see that every day. He needs more weight.
Oh
Dude is stuck. We're
Wow.
pulling him out with a bulldozer. Oh, this is perfect for Malachi.
That's a backhoe loader.
Malachi told me it's backhoe.
Yeah.
Emma.
Backhoe loader.
Oh wow, look at that.
Watch out, watch out. Oh, the bird. Yeah, move please, honey. I'm gonna get
the bird.
What birds?
They're bird. Like a whole
They're
flock
gone
of
now.
birds came out of a tree.
Oh wow.
Yeah. That was amazing. Yeah. Anna, I did.
So interesting.
Oh my goodness. I can see her talking.
The snowplow is stuck and they're having to pull it out with a backhoe. And it's like it's the best seat in the house.
Let's try.
Are you excited?
That's where you fell off. That's where you jumped off. I want to go outside and do that.
Later. Later.
What?
Backhoe. A beep
Later.
The backhoe. The backhoe is pulling out the stuck snowplow.
Okay, don't jump.
Malachi, what is
Oh my
it?
goodness.
Malachi's so excited because the snowplow is stuck and they're having to pull it out with a backhoe. And it's like the best seat in the house. Are you excited?
Let's do backhoe. Again. And I can tell which place you fell off or which place you were just being a dork.
What?
She can tell which place you fell off and which place you're being a dork.
Hey, I wasn't being a dork. I walked up to the edge of the porch, and it wasn't the edge of the porch, it was snow. So I was gone.
The mayor said, very entertaining. I am trained in the signs of cabin fever, and it looks like this might be a textbook case. Should be no long-term impact. May I recommend the loving touch of wonderful wife and adorable children. If he starts howling at the moon, just push him outdoors. I'm sure it leads.
What's so funny?
The mayor thinks I'm a goofball. Mommy sent him the link to watch the funny video.
Okay. Hush, hush,
It's a backhoe, it's a backhoe.
Well, we're never getting out now.
Oh no.
There's no way I'm able to dig that out. They're putting that right where I'm supposed to dig out the sidewalk. That's just awesome. So officially I'm glad I didn't dig out the sidewalk.
Yes,
because
you to a lost cause.
That's right.
Pause, not cause.
Wow.
I did.
So let's be really clear. That pile of snow that's down on the sidewalk level, which is down an embankment from my house, is about 5 foot deep. They just put a 5 foot pile of snow where I've got to shovel out.
This is so exciting.
Awesome.
Just ensuring we will not be
So,
showing out.
Snow that's stuck behind them. Shh, stop jumping off the furniture, girls. I know Poppy did a funny, but don't do it in my house.
While he's standing on it. Ooh! Now I can fly like this and there's nothing like
Got stuck and the backhoe is having to pull him out and Malachi is having the best time. Tell Yaya, what is it?
Backhoe.
Is it a backhoe? Oh, there he goes. There's like a whole fleet of like.
No.
And Malachi has the best view.
You mean my pink one? Yeah. No.
Backhoe.
This is really cool. And it's your first time you bought.
The backhoe's helping? You're right.
Here's what I do.
Help backhoe. He's helping the snowplow.
The Bible is some backhoe.
Even right.
Mom,
Here's
it's
the
a
guy
Bible.
for saving it for you. Because it was hidden on another shelf where you found it. It's all the others that didn't have it.
No, there's a, that's, there it is. Yeah.
Except for a portal.
Yeah.
Now it's been another couple hours since we last videoed. The snow is just absolutely deep. You can see where I did my face plunge and Redneck Snow Angel just are becoming hops. The snow is just pouring down. We are probably going to get another 6 inches to a foot. It looks like it's just coming down, and they say now that we can expect blizzard conditions through Sunday. They did get the main road down to almost the road, but our road is covered up. It's just gone. Here's another look out our side window in the neighbor's house. Our road's gone. They scraped it a couple hours ago, but now it's just gone again. There's my truck. It's crazy. Really deep snow. We have a lot of snow. It's the truck. Pretty crazy. Just a lot of snow. Here, where I'm at currently, this is my window. That's the ground. The snow is all the way from the ground up to the window that high. Which you can see whenever I do that. It's crazy how much snow we got. Big snowbanks. This is from the kitchen. That's the girls' playhouse. It's unbelievable. We dug that path and already it's filling in. It's crazy how much snow we're getting. Swings are almost under the snow now. There's another view of the playhouse. It's unbelievable. The girls swing. That's their swing. The snow is over the swing. That's how far high it is. So that right there is a good 2.5, almost 3 foot. It's crazy. I wanted to capture this because that is snow coming off of her roof, hanging down. About to avalanche down. I've never seen snow hang on and clean. It's so crazy. Right here. Here's my truck. Now my car's disappeared. The road is already covered up again. And this is outside our window and the girls' window. Right here, snow's all the way up. As you can see, to their window. That's up part of the window, but that's off of our roof, and that's way down there. So it's a big snowbank on top of the roof over the porch. It's crazy. You can't see it from up there, but this is 4 foot deep. So it's intense shoveling.
Thanks for shoveling.
Well,
You're like only a fourth of the way through.
yeah.
The disadvantages of a corner lot, huh?
On the porch for our next round.
Okay.
So The snow is about 6 foot deep on our roof that's over our laundry room. Literally 6 foot. I'm gonna have to shovel down because the pipe for the sewer disappeared. It's gone, and I'm having to dig out a hole so that I can even open the window. So I've dug out this hole to open the window. It's awesome. Bring the shovel back in. That's just fun. And I'm supposed to be painting this room. Instead of painting the room, I'm trying to make sure that water doesn't go down the wrong way down the sewer as well as down into that room and literally rot the ceiling. So I'm gonna shovel out the window.
Second story bedroom.
This is insane. The snowdrift is about 6 foot tall because it's about 4 foot down and 2 foot above the window, which I just can't even believe. It's just not believable. There's no way to get out here. I just got to do it this way. Never done this.
You're barefoot.
I've never done this before. Stick the camera out here and check this out. This is crazy. Look at that.
Wow.
Look at that. It's crazy.